Now, before you vote for Freedom Front Plus, this is what you must know. My name is Ualokwane, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, the Freedom Front Plus, also known as the FF Plus, is a political party that focuses mainly on minority rights, self-determination, and limiting government power. At the heart of Freedom Front Plus is one big idea, which is self-determination. They believe that South Africa is too diverse to be ruled the same way everywhere. Now, in simple terms, they say communities should have more control over their own lives, their schools, their language, their culture, and local decisions, instead of everything being decided in Pretoria. Their argument is simple. The closer government is to the people, the better it works. And Freedom Front Plus strongly believes that majority rule must not become majority abuse. Yes, the majority wins elections, but minorities must still be protected. To them, the law must apply equally, whether you are a politician, an entrepreneur, a tenderpreneur, or an ordinary citizen. No excuses, no political protection. And one of their strongest position is property rights. Now, they strongly oppose land expropriation without compensation, saying if the state can take property easily, then nobody is truly safe. Economically, they support a free market system. They believe government should stop running businesses, stop bailing out failing state companies, and let private businesses create jobs. Now, they also defend language and culture, especially mother tongue education. Their message, no one should be forced to lose their identity just to belong. And Freedom Front Plus is very clear about what they are against, which is corruption, cadre deployment, centralized power, and race-based policies. They believe that they are unfair. Now, the Freedom Front Plus is clear about what they are against, which is corruption, cadre deployment, centralized power, and race-based policies they believe are unfair. They argue that help should be based on need and merit, not on political connections. So whether you like them or you don't, here's the reality. The Freedom Front Plus believes South Africa should have less government control, stronger community power, secure property rights, and equal treatment under the law. And people still ask, is Freedom Front Plus protecting democracy or protecting a specific group? What are your thoughts?